Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a mini unboxing, and I recently purchased some hair from this brand called LUXOR Studio. So let's get started. Bam. Beautiful packaging. So lately I've been having quite a lot of bad luck with bundles. I don't know what it is. I remember a time when I would buy Brazilian hair and it would last like a good year. And lately I've just been running into hair that, gets tangled, staticky. After I wash it, it doesn't get smooth. Just so many like horror stories. So I was like, you know what? And I even read somewhere, which I don't even know if it's 100% true, that Brazilian hair is not even like a true ethnic type of hair. It's like a blend, but they brand it, like the wholesale sellers brand it as Brazilian. So it's like, okay, I just want to stick to like raw, Malaysian or Indian hair, knowing that it's like true human hair. So I was searching around and I came across this brand on Instagram. And I saw another blogger talk about their hair, show it wet and then straight, and just having really good things to say. And I was just like, you know what, let me just give this brand a try. So I did. So I am going to be unboxing it with you guys. So I'm really excited, and I decided to order their raw Indian hair, and I got a 12-inch that I'll put in the back, a 14-inch to put on top, and a 14-inch closure. So pretty much I want to do like and then I'm going to trim it to be like, a little bit past my shoulders, but like a blunt, well, I don't even know if it's going to be blunt yet, but so as you guys know, I am a sucker for packaging. So here we have a card. So here is 3 little baggies, and then this is just filler paper. So let's see. The first bundle, this is the 14-inch Indian wavy, a raw Indian. All right, feels nice. This is the closure, that's 14 inches. And this is the 12-inch. So this is pretty decent. This is really, really decent. So here we go. This is gonna be like a really natural, just full enough bob. Like I want it to look really natural, so that's why I only went with 2 bundles. Again, 12 at the bottom, 14 at the top, and then my 14-inch closure. So I'm sure you guys have seen like all the how to make a wig videos. I even have quite a few, but just to walk you through, I'm gonna bleach my knots, and then I'm going to sew this hair. I'm not gonna dye it because I like the natural, like 1B, like the natural color. I like the true color. And I'm gonna sew it onto a wig cap, and I will link the video down below. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.